Hi there. This is in an introduction to discourse. And as you know, discourse is one of the aspects of natural language processing. So, natural language processing has different levels. So, initially at the word level, you would perform morphological parsing, and then in the next step, you would have syntax analysis, generating parse trees for the language. And then at the next step, you would have finding out some meaning for the text for each sentence, and that is done using semantic analysis. Discourse has got to do with putting together sentences in order to make meaning out of them. So, how would you put sentences together and gather their meaning? That's what discourse is about. So, in this short introduction, I will just introduce what are some of the two important things that discourse addresses. So please read the example given on the top. Tin Woodman went to Emerald City to see the Wizard of Oz and asked for a heart. After he asked for it, the woodman waited for the wizard's response. So in this sentence, you would note that the pronouns he and it have to be resolved. For a human, these are done automatically. There is no processing involved. I mean, there is processing involved, but it's all done automatically, right? But when it comes to a computer, these pronouns he and it have to be resolved in some manner. So as we understand, we automatically realize that the he here refers to Tim Woodman and the it refers to Hart. Also, you would note that Woodman has to be resolved to Tin Woodman and Wizard has to be resolved to Wizard of Oz. So all these constitute co-reference resolution, which is deciding what pronouns and other noun phrases refer to. And for a computer, this is not a trivial task. It's significant. It's a significantly difficult task. So co-reference resolution is one of the aspects that discourse addresses. Let me give you another example. Read the sentence on the top. First Union Corp is continuing to wrestle with severe problems. According to industry insiders at Payne Weber, their president John R. Georges is planning to announce his retirement tomorrow. So, a summary for a sentence like this would be something like First Union President John R. Georges is planning to announce his retirement tomorrow. So you need to understand that in this paragraph there are two sentences, of which the second sentence is important. According to industry insiders at Payne Weber, their president John R. Georges is planning to announce his retirement tomorrow. And that's the main sentence, and the first sentence just gives additional information. So somehow the relationship between these sentences got to be known, and that's what we call coherence relation. We need to find out the relationship, which we call coherence relation, between the sentences in a paragraph. And let's take another example below. John hid Bill's car keys. He was drunk. So in this case, the first sentence is the main sentence, and the second sentence gives an explanation. He was drunk, so he hid Bill's car keys. So just another example of a coherence relation. So basically, we need to understand which is the important sentence which is the subordinate, and what is the relationship between the two sentences. And this is called, a coherence relation, and we have to find out the coherence relations when we talk about discourse. And thank you. This is all I have about an introduction to discourse. Thanks.